In this video, I'll show you how to view LinkedIn profiles in private mode. Private mode on LinkedIn lets you browse other people's profiles without showing your name, photo, headline, or other identifying details to the profile owner. LinkedIn says there are 3 profile viewing options: your full identity, private profile characteristics, and full private mode. In full private mode, your visit appears anonymously. If you are using LinkedIn on mobile, open the app and tap your profile photo. Then tap Settings, go to Visibility, and tap Profile Viewing Options. From there, choose Private Mode. LinkedIn says your changes are saved automatically, so once you select it, you can start browsing profiles privately right away. If you are using LinkedIn on desktop, click the Me icon at the top of LinkedIn, then choose Settings and Privacy. After that, click Visibility, find Profile Viewing Options, and select Private Mode. LinkedIn's help page lists the same 3 visibility choices there, and private mode is the one that hides your identity completely while you browse. It is also helpful to understand the difference between the 3 options. If you choose your name and headline, people can see exactly who viewed them. If you choose private profile characteristics, LinkedIn only shows limited details such as your job title, company, school, or industry. If you choose private mode, your visit is fully anonymous. One important thing to remember is that private mode affects what others can see about your visit, but it does not hide your own profile from LinkedIn search or from public view. That is a separate setting. LinkedIn's public profile controls are managed elsewhere under Public Profile Visibility. Another useful detail is that when you browse in private mode, LinkedIn limits the information shared with the people whose profiles you visit. LinkedIn also notes that this setting is tied to account behavior around profile viewing visibility. So private mode is mainly about anonymous browsing, not about hiding your whole account. That's how to view LinkedIn profiles in private mode. Open your settings, go to Visibility, switch profile viewing options to private mode, and then browse profiles anonymously. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.